like windy and then like chilly. It got to like 77 or.
Y luego yo traía sandalias y le digo a Stephanie, oh, my feet are frozen. Y me dice, I'm sure. Le digo, yes, honey. I'm cold. I'm always cold. And then plus that, like, it changed like this. It was just like, oh.
Look at those homes. No low.
Yeah, but you keep it to yourself. And people climb down to the bottom.
Your mom's definitely doing the
Pictures.
swan.
We shall not speak of that.
Oh, Stephanie.
Bring your good memories.
You came this close to be motherless.
These are not hiking, but these are. Okay, I'm gonna take pictures of this sexy woman. Here we go. Brother and sister.
Next step.
Next stop, Superior, Lake Superior. Here we go. The scenery changes quite a bit, so I just want to capture all the beauty. Alright guys, I'll see you in Superior.
Christopher.
Yeah.
The torture table. They're saying that every now and then one of the young guys working there, because they treat them like slaves.
Yeah. The miners?
Yeah. They were not some type of a slave. And every now and then one of them is escape because they were young, escaping the mountains, and they run after them. And if they catch them, they will bring them and put them on the table and kill them right there in front of everybody.
Guanajuato?
Guanajuato.
The mines that we went.
Yeah.
Mines,
That was a story.
They will bring all the miners to watch the execution.
Horrible.
They will stretch them
To the break.
until their bones will break.
Mejor prende el aire de afuera.
Yeah, Roosevelt. I met Roosevelt. So that's it?
That's it. Felix was saying that the water level is real low.
Oh. Which is not good.
It hasn't rained.
Yeah. Yeah. I would like a boat.
It's better to rent than to.
Yeah.
Le digo a Stephanie que a ver un día de repente nos venimos acá conmigo a rentar la cabaña aquí en Whitney.
So pretty. It's huge. Wow.
Piece of 49. Halfway.
I know, huh?
Wow. Pretty.
Mira, and from here, that's the dam. From here, they supply the, I think, 4 lakes that we have.
Oh yeah?
Can you name them and stuff?
Is there a Lake Superior?
No.
Is there?
Not here.
Okay, Lake Roosevelt.
Oh, this is the big one. This is the Roosevelt.
Yeah. I know
And the dam is right there. They release the water going toward Phoenix.
Oh.
But we have 4 main lakes. Can you name 2?
Lake
Either one. Lake
Saguaro, huh? There's not Lake Pleasant, is there?
Lake Pleasant is in Phoenix. It's not tied to this one.
Okay.
Saguaro, Apache,
Ashley?
Lake, Saguaro.
Que también le dan a los indios.
Roosevelt, and then.
No, Roosevelt is this one.
I know. So this is one.
This is the
Yeah,
main
but
one.
this is the main that supplies to the other one.
Oh, okay.
Yeah, this one is
Oh, little camping or like cooking things or ramadas. That's cool.
Nowhere.
Straight, wherever, all the way at the bottom. Just go towards the bottom.
Campgrounds.
Yeah. So they're the last one, I think he said. Trying to figure out where we are. Talking.
Tell me where.
Park there.
Hi, strangers.
Going to the lake. Stick your neck out. All right, she wants her photo. Gotta get her photo. Beauty. Okay, hold on. Let me take a picture of her. Just a moment, guys. Bench is right here. Yeah. And it has a little shade. Well, kinda. I'll hold on to you. I'm good. If something happens, I'll grab you, but I'm okay.
I'll pick you up on the floor.
Thanks. Honestly, my pain is very good. Now it's not so much the pain, it's just, you know, I just feel like I can just feel my back when it's tired or a little like tense, you know? So I have to pay attention to not overdo it. But I can pretty much do a lot, just not pain. I'm not pain free, but yeah, very close.
That level used to be.
Whoa.
You see the level way up there?
Uh-huh.
The white?
Uh-huh. That's where it used to be?
That's how high you.
Yeah. Like such a different view, huh? Mm-hmm.
The middle of the desert and look at the water.
Right.
Sweet water.
We gotta go on a boat next time.
Oh, your
Let's see
mark.
who throws the farthest rock.
Get ready.
Okay, my turn. Wait, I have to
like
go.
A man.
Okay, throw it like a man.
Like
You
a
threw it
man.
like a... I don't know.
That's that. Oh, your mom, see?
Fine, let me
She's
try it.
winning. What? Oh, it's getting weaker.
Yep, like a girl's better.
Oh, like a man.
Oh, okay, let's see, man.
You're like a man like this.
I never... Hey, we gotta work on our... Hold on.
On your mark. Get ready. Set. And...
No.
Also tired.
Whew.
Okay, so now you go.
Man.
Let's go.
Una,
1, 2,
dos.
3. No way. No.
I haven't thrown in a long time, okay? Oh well. A little better. Okay. Get warmed up and go. A little better. Tiny bit.
Look at my sister.
Let me see.
Look, watch her. Oh, too high.
Oh yeah.
That's too high.
Oh, that's true.
Merlot is the same thing. Yeah.
That's what we need to do. Who's gonna get in the back? No? Ah, look at them. Wow. Go, girl, go. Whoever it is. Just chilling. Whoa. Oh my
Then
god.
open the door, open the gates.
Don't, you're gonna get in trouble.
Steph,
No trespassing.
I
Warning.
wanna check all the
Aquí,
pumps.
aquí es donde están los,
Employees, contractors, firearms, prohibited.
aquí es donde está todo lo que está under cover.
No.
Aquí tienen los aliens. ¿Qué eso crees? Pero yo creo que sí.
No, they got all the pumps to pump the water and open the.
And tunnels with the aliens abajo.
Ay,
Right?
Sí. ¿Qué estás pensando? This is just a cover up.
ay,
Nada de lo que te
qué
imaginabas.
bonito, Steph.
Let's go back. Viene.
Ay,
Careful.
¿dónde?
Aquí.
Ahorita. Está todo bien, estructura. What do you call it? Like a building, you can do
Right,
Mm-hmm, like a sightseeing spot.
right, but it says right here because it's so narrow.
Yeah.
That's what I mean. So
Yeah.
cut them up.
Right.
Do you see, Bill?
For safety, they don't do that here
Mira, but you got the dam.
because whatever this is, it's
Mira, but it's
FBI.
closed because normally when they
CIA.
open it, you see the water coming out.
Mm-hmm.
Right now, it's nothing. Right.
Okay.
It was built in 1911.
Wow.
I was reading the thing over
Mm-hmm.
there. By President Roosevelt.
Yeah, Roosevelt Lake. Beauty.
Eso no parece.
Yeah, go back. Yeah.
What?
On the
Oh,
rock.
how weird.
Wow, let me take a picture of it.
Little baby.
Goodness
Hold on.
gracious.
Well, it has something there, I guess.
A rock.
Te digo, son aliens, gente. Usted no me quiere
Those
entender.
are aliens. I believe you now.
Yeah?
They're on the other side of the wall.
You know? And what's the black thing? It looks like a piece of metal.
Feli, le dice Lupe.
Oh.
Ay, se me está acabando de tomar foto.
Está bonito.
Ay, Nino.
Y la policía.